Good morning students. Now welcome to today's maths class. In today's maths class we are study the exercise 13.2. Okay students. Now on first question. What is the first question? The first question is that a solid in the form of cone is standing on a hemisphere with both radii equal to 1 centimeter and height of the conical of radius equals to the radius. A solid in the shape of cone standing with a hemisphere whose both radii is 1 and the height of cone is also 1 cm. Okay, so what is the find? Find the volume of the solid in term of pi. How can you find the volume of vessel? Volume of vessels. Students, on previous class I am also telling to you, in volume and surface area question is not said to make the figure, but you make the figure, your dimensions are clear, concepts are clear, and which identity you are utilized is also clear. So in this exercise, that is the first question, volume of vessel. How can you find the volume of vessel? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Can you know the radius of both? Yes. Can you know the height of cone? Yes. And one more thing, you find the value in term of pi. That means you not put the value of pi. Pi values not putting there, only putting the radius and height and find your volume. Got it students? That is your first question of 13.2 exercise. Second question is that Rachel of engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its end to end. Model like a cylinder. Engineering student maintain a cylinder with two cones are included in both the ends. Okay, two cones are included in both the ends. The diameter of the metal model is 3 centimeter. The diameter of model is 3 centimeter. Okay, and its length is 12 centimeter and each cone height 2 centimeter. Each cone height 2 centimeter and total model is 12 centimeter. Students, why it means? It means total model length is 12. But what is the height of the cylindrical portion? 4 are subtracted. So cylindrical portion height is 8 centimeter. And diameter is 3. That means the radius is 1.5. How can find the model volume? So model volume equals cylinder volume plus 2 cone volume. Right? Cylinder volume pi r square h and 2 cones volume yani 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r square h. But in here h1. Why it is h1? Because cone height is changed. h1 is 2 centimeter, h is 8 centimeter and radius of both is 1.5 centimeter. Got it, students? Put these values in form and find the volume of the model. That means how much air is contained in the model. Got it, students? It is very important question. Question number 3. There have a jar, cylindrical jar, which is filled with gulab jamuns. Also figure is given. But our question is gulab jamun. So we are talking with gulab jamun and make a figure of gulab jamun. Gulab jamun with cylindrical have two hemispherical ends. A cylinder with two hemispheres is its ends. That type of make the gulab jamun. So at first we find the dimension of the gulab jamun. Yes, given that each gulab jamun shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with height 5 and diameter 2.8. Total height is 5 centimeter and diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So what is the radius of students? 1.4 centimeter and 1.4 centimeter. So what is the height of the cylinder portion? 1.4 yani 2.8 is subtracted. In where? Total height. So when you subtract 5 to 2.8, then answer is 2.2. Got it? That 2.2, that is the height of your cylindrical portion. Understood? So find one gulab jamun volume. One gulab jamun volume equals to cylinder volume plus sphere volume. Why we are using sphere volume? Because hemisphere and hemisphere, both hemisphere are attached to each other, then make a sphere. Okay, so cylinder volume plus sphere volume. The formula of cylinder volume, pi r square h plus sphere volume 4/3 pi r cube. Students, you know that the value of radius 1.4 and the value of height is cylindrical portion 2.2 centimeter. Okay, put all these values in this manner and you find one gulab jamun volume. How many gulab jamuns? One gulab jamun volume. And how many gulab jamuns putting in the cylinder? 45. So total gulab jamun volume equals to 1 gulab jamun volume into 45 and take 30% of sugar syrup. So sugar syrup equals to is equals to, ये आपको टोटल वैल्यू तो ये आपको रखनी है, 1 गुलाब जामुन वॉल्यूम इंटू 45 तो रखना ही है, और 30% ऑब्जर्व द शुगर सिरप. 30% मीन्स 30/100. Simplify and find your answer. Got it, students? Now in this series we are discussed the question number 4. So at first, student, we are talking about the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Question number 4 is a pen stand made up of wood. A pen stand made up of wood is in the form of cuboid with 4 conical depression. Hold it. एक पेन होल्डर है which have cuboid shape in where 4 pen holders are conical. Conical are cut out. Okay, there have 4 conical parts is cut out. So how can you find the pen holder volume? How can you find the pen holder volume? Pen holder volume equals to cuboid volume minus क्योंकि हॉलोड आउट हो रहा है। और यहाँ पर आपको फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, वॉल्यूम, सरफेस एरिया नहीं, वॉल्यूम क्या होता है, सब्सट्रैक्ट होता है। सो क्यूबॉइड वॉल्यूम माइनस 4 कोन वॉल्यूम। Okay students, can you know about the formula of cuboid volume? L into B into H and minus 4 into cone volume 1/3 pi r square h. Everything given or not? So we see the question. In this question given that the dimension of cuboid 15, 10 and 3.5. 15, 10 and 3.5 cm. These are the dimension of cuboid, and the conical and the radius of each depression 0.5 and depth is 1.4, and conical portion whose radius is 0.5 and depth is 1.4 cm.